This treatment combines these 3 effective anti-aging technologies: positive and negative galvanic ion, ultrasonic, and LED therapy. Novuskin uses our exclusive top-of-the-line Sea Treasure products, which are made with all-natural ingredients designed to penetrate the skin for rejuvenation and rehydration. If this is your first visit at Novuskin, you'll receive this handmade anti-aging repair facial for free. Plus, you'll also receive a membership consultation with a free skin analysis. During your consultation, one of our expert skin specialists will tailor a treatment plan designed just for you. We do all of this for free because we want to give our first-time visitors this opportunity to learn about their skin and to experience how we take each member on the Novuskin journey. As the leading experts in the aesthetic field, we guide, motivate, and educate you about your skin every step of the way. We start the process off with a skin analysis. This is a scientific machine that reads your face like a map. It analyzes your pore, wrinkle, moisture, elasticity, skin tone, pigmentation, oil, and porphyrin levels. From these results, we know exactly what is going on with your skin and what factors are needed to be focused on. We can calculate your current skin problems and foresee any future ones. It's our mission to take your skin to the highest level and bring it to where it needs to be. Think of us as your personal skin coach, and together we'll get you where you need to be by taking you on the Novuskin journey.